deep in Fujian's Nanjing County. A valley untouched by modern haste preserves the soul of Haka civilization. For over 1,000 years, the Yunshuiyao stream has carried water, songs, and history past giant water wheels, sacred camphor trees, and towering earthen fortresses. Recognized by UNESCO alongside Fujian Tulu in 2008, this living heritage site remains one of China's most authentic ancient waterway settlements, where every stone, beam, and ripple still speaks of ancestral wisdom. Built during the Yuan dynasty, 14th century. These two 15-meter wooden water wheels are among China's oldest still in operation, lifting water to irrigate terraced fields. And symbolizing timeless Haka ingenuity. Named Clouds, Water, and Ballads, this stream has been the heart of Haka life since the Song dynasty. Its clear water once powered mills, nourished silk production, and inspired countless folk songs. Today, strict conservation rules protect its flow and banks, ensuring the same water that irrigated fields for ancestors continues to sustain organic rice and tea plantations, a rare example of a 1,000-year-old sustainable water management system still functioning perfectly. Planted around 700 AD, this 1,300-year-old sacred camphor tree is worshipped as the village guardian spirit. Its massive roots intertwine with the stream, representing the Haka belief that humans, trees, and water share the same life force across generations. These stilted tea houses, rebuilt after floods yet following original Song-era designs, serve as informal clan meeting places. Elders still gather here to discuss lineage affairs, preserving the oral history and customary laws that govern Tulu society has followed for centuries. The 400-year-old stone arch bridge, Ming Dynasty, and the covered wooden corridor bridge reflect Haka defensive architecture and clan solidarity. Both were financed and maintained collectively by lineage trusts, a social system that has preserved them intact to this day. After sunset, red lanterns and Tulu windows glow, recreating scenes recorded in 900-year-old Haka poetry. Night conservation regulations ban bright lights, protecting both fireflies and the intangible heritage, the ancient mountain songs that still drift across the water. These massive rammed earth fortresses, developed from the 12th century onward, were designed as self-contained defensive communities for entire clans. The circular or square layout follows feng shui principles while maximizing agricultural land. UNESCO recognition in 2008 brought controlled tourism that funds restoration. Allowing 46 Tulu in this valley to remain permanently inhabited, the highest concentration of continuously lived-in Tulu in China. Inside, a sophisticated social structure endures. One Tulu equals one lineage branch, with ancestral halls at the center enforcing collective ownership and mutual support. Modern residents have added electricity and plumbing while preserving wooden galleries, skywells, and shared kitchens. This living conservation model proves that Haka traditions, communal living, ancestor reverence, and sustainable architecture remain perfectly viable in the 21st century. If you enjoy discovering stories of culture and heritage, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming journeys.